Hello guys, we're back again with episode 2 of our travel to Japan. I hope you did enjoy the first episode where we talked about the arrival at Osaka, where we had a great birthday party with our friends from Japan. In this next episode we will meet another Japanese friend of ours, Yuka-san, who was waiting for us when we arrived at Shizuoka Prefecture. So I hope you're gonna have fun with this one. We'll pass through the first day with Yuka-san, lots of food and lots of fun, and you'll see what's gonna happen. So enjoy episode 2. See you there.
Just imagine what a good shape we were after this birthday party with Keizo-san and the Japanese friends and the karaoke bar and a few drinks. Come on, Mike. Don't act as if Swiss trains are never late. Are they ever? I must admit, we had nice service on board. After service, our Swiss spy Mike came over to make sure he completed his data file about all passengers on board, only to be taken into custody by the local authorities. But now, let us first go through a few impressions of what we experienced during that one day with Yuka-san in Shizuoka Prefecture. We all started with a first meal at some Soba noodle restaurant after we had met Yuka-san at the hotel in Shimizu. Now I let the two specialists take care of the food and just enjoy what's coming. Hi, and thank you for the order. What a culinary delight. Mount Fuji. Finally. I had to take my drone out from the tea terraces that we were visiting to just fly around the area of Shizuoka Prefecture. Unfortunately, the light wasn't too good, but still, here we get a little impression of it. The landing maneuvers had to be coordinated very well with Mike's drone, just not to bump into each other. Hello everyone, here's a little special effect from Mike with his drone. We were a bit late for the sakura season. However, we were still blessed with a few blossoming trees. Wow. It was a great day out among friends, even though some of us had to take a little rest after the hard work of the day. We went back to the hotel to get ready for the evening, and as you see, Mike's room this time is as small as before, but it's got a bathtub. Yes guys, dinner time, sushi! And after dinner, Yuka-san took us for some beers.
Hello! Hello! Yeah, hello! As you can see, this is Yuka-san. She is very different from the Periscope of tonight.
Yeah.
Hello.
We're still here. We're
Still here.
Party.
This is the second venue that we're going to.
Four to go.
Four to go. Wait, four to go. Oh my god, yeah. Anyway, and we're outside of a street that has a train track. We're good. So this place is called Coffee and Beer. This is one of Yuka's friend who runs the place. It's a very tiny place. Cheers! Kanpai!
If you want to go to Shizuoka, please visit the not shut up but much up.
Wait, I need to show you the trains here. Wait. Okay, wait. There's a lot of suicides in Japan, and this is one of the common things people do. Waiting on the train, not doing anything stupid.
Just across the bar, there was a train crossing. Don't ask me what we did.
It's not geisha hunting.
No, it wasn't geisha hunting, it was train spotting. But I don't know why. Oh, did you spot Casper's glass?
From which side? It's coming.
He says this side. You have to believe in the local person.
Ah, yes.
So here we are, slightly intoxicated, but having fun at train spotting. Who could have ever imagined that?
You got the shot.
And it went on and on and on. After some time, we decided it was time to go and have another few snacks in an izakaya bar. And look at what happened. This little local group of Japanese people were quite interested in the strength of this tourist group. So, needless to say, they had a few drinks before, and everyone was just looking at the arm wrestling, which became the center of attention in that bar. Yes, Mike, you got it. And here we go, Japan versus Hong Kong. John Ho struggled pretty hard for a while, but then finally brought the trophy home to Hong Kong. And now was the Netherlands' turn. Casper decided to have a little test round before getting to the professional challenge. So let's get ready to rumble! Go! 1-0 for the Netherlands, but no reason to relax yet. And now the final and decisive round for our competitor from the Netherlands. Will he strike and take the win? Yes! Yes! We have a winner. The Netherlands takes home the Arm Wrestling Shimizu Trophy 2019. However, did the excessive use of strength enlarge his eyes? Have a look. Stronger! 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 It must have been at least 2 o'clock in the morning when we were craving for more ramen. So we found this place that was open till 2700.
2700. That's the first time I've seen it.
Oh well. Casper is worried. He's hungry. It's gonna be okay. They'll let us in. Yes, you must have had fun, Yuka-san. So here we are, we made it. Is it our 4th, our 5th meal today since we arrived in Shizuoka? I have no clue, but it was good. I wonder why next day's drive to Kakitagawa River Park was filled with calm.
Kakitagawa. No. Yeah, whatever, Gawa. So we are at this Kakitagawa River Park, which Kakitagawa. Okay, I wrote it right, but I think at least, yeah, Kakitagawa.
We are here at the river. That is the river basically with the Mount Fuji water. And I hope you're able to see this in good quality.
We're heading back.
We're heading back?
Go to the other area.
Or the other area?
Yeah, because this one goes to the car park.
So this was the end of the first observation deck. And we are walking here. It's between Nagoya and Tokyo. And We are just stopping here. So that is the source of the Mount Fuji water. I also have Mount Fuji water with me. And the taste is like a little bit metal enriched with a lot of minerals.
Oh, so this is where it comes out from?
Yeah.
So this is really the source. We can also, if we lose Mike or they lose me, we always have the possibility to...
Check, I got lost.
It's always convenient to have a way of communications with each other. Yuka-san, what do they say?
Wait, I need to translate. This area is...
Oh, protected.
Yeah.
But they are there. Maybe we should tell them they should get out.
They're stuck.
Yeah, let me hold this for you while you go down.
But I would expect this to be a little bit more like Japanese design garden. I think, but this is not a garden. This is more a park. The Japanese gardens tend to be much more designed, and this feels more. It was like natural place. We were just walking down here earlier.
Meanwhile, Mike is meditating.
Beautiful, calm, no noise.
So we go now to Kyoto or observation?
Observation.
Ah, observation. Feels very relaxing to walk over here. This is exactly what we saw, those two. And here it says in the Kakita River. Oh, it's not Kakati, it is Kakita.
Yeah, Kakita.
Oh. Did we lost JL? The second observation deck.
Second or one. And also source.
Oh, another source.
Yeah, very big.
Wow! Wow, I see it! Whoa! Whoa! Sugoi there. You can see inside. I'm not sure if it's different.
Every day, 1 million tons of water burbles its way to the surface through the sandy soil in the park to form the Kakita River. The water has been underground for more than 25 years, having fallen as rain or snow into the flanks of Mount Fuji and made its way through Mount Fuji's porous lava and ash, while gravity pulls it towards sea level until it finds the soil of this place, which allows it to emerge.
The next destination is this wasabi containing
Waterfall lake.
Yeah.
That's on the further down side of the peninsula.
We will have the tofu later. We have the tofu later.
Who are you talking to? Mike?
To Mike, yeah.
Oh, okay.
So Mike, we will have a quick
Watching
lunch.
here, I have to. Oh, I can do this. Hey Mike, let's meet at the starting point where the bathrooms are that we went to.
After the Kakitagawa Park, we went to the Joren Falls, where I saw wasabi and how it really looks like for the first time. Let's have another little snack. I did like this fish. I really did. What do you think they're selling down there? Yes, wasabi. This is how wasabi looks like, friends. And this is how it grows. Here you are, in the water. And here we have the famous Joren Falls, situated near Izu City, in the headwaters of the Kano River on Izu Peninsula.
So this is wasabi beer.
Wasabi beer.
Okay.
Wasabi pilu.
Biru.
Pilu.
And of course JL had to test the wasabi beer for its pureness. And?
They like wasabi beer.
And while JL was elaborating on the intense taste of wasabi beer,
You can feel the wasabi in it, but it really goes. It's like
no one, apart from Yuka-san and John Ho, knew what was expecting us next on the program.
yes.
It's a wasabi mermaid.
So
Blonde though. She's blonde. I'm not sure if you heard about the word. So Ryokan is basically like a residence. It's your hotel, but it's a super traditional hotel. Meaning, you don't have a bed to sleep. You're sleeping on the floor, the tatami floor.
I don't think so.
This will not be a comfortable night. It's not uncomfortable, but it's not something that you will be accustomed to. We will also be sleeping all together in one room. I know there's an issue of, oh, what about privacy and all that, but it's only one night.
The temperature rises.
So I think it's a good chance to just experience
At this time, John doesn't find it funny
She
anymore.
has no problem spending the night in the room with us. And you guys don't have a choice. But the place is very nice. There's gonna be the hot springs bath. You're gonna do a hot spring bath, but it's also a traditional Japanese way of doing it. So I have to explain to you guys how to do the bath and then do the hot spring. The dinner is going to be at 6:30, 6:45. We'll have to wear the yukata, which is the bathrobe.
yeah, yukata for the men.
Yeah,
no?
we'll have to wear the bathrobe. And then it will be a feast of many, many Japanese food.
Okay. We're open to everything.
Yes, so it's a very traditional Japanese experience, a unique Japanese experience. I don't know if everyone's gonna love it, but I think it's something that if you're in Japan, you might as well give it a try once in your lifetime.
We'll tell you more about John LA's reaction after the announcement of our overnight stay at the Ryokan Hotel next episode.
So hey there, I hope you did enjoy this episode 2. And if you want to see episode 3, don't forget to subscribe to JL Switzerland here on YouTube. I'll see you there.
We'll tell you more about our Ryokan experience,
Can you just stop the video and we start again?
the geisha spotting in Kyoto, a visit of a big temple in Kyoto, and a tea ceremony and some traditional dances.